Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to report someone or a user on Discord. So unfortunately, there's not really a way to go into Discord and click on a user and go to their profile and report them directly from within the app. So the easiest way of doing it is open up a new browser tab, and this will work on both mobile and desktops. And here we are at support.discord.com. Make sure you sign in when you get here, and then go ahead and go to the Submit a Request button here. And then when you do that, you need to click the drop-down menu and go to Trust and Safety. And then under Trust and Safety, you want to report abuse or spam or whatever the issue you are reporting the individual for. And then just go ahead and fill out this form or request by utilizing these drop-down menus here. And then you can actually link to the message in which you want to report the person for. And in order to link a message on Discord, what you would do is you would just right-click on these three dots here and then just go to copy. So you could copy text right there, or you could even screenshot that if you wanted to as well. So you can do that, and then you can upload that there. And then when you're good to go, go ahead and put a description, attach any files or screenshots here, and then just click Submit. And you have now reported that person, and Discord can now, with their trust and safety team, look into that. Also here on the mobile device, here I am at support.discord.com. If I tap on the three horizontal lines there at the top of the screen, you'll see the option to submit a request here, and then you just go to Trust and Safety, and then fill out the form here, and then make sure that you are, reporting the correct thing, and submit the form, and you should be able to get feedback and a response from the Trust and Safety team, whether they take action or not. So again, you can't do it in-app. Unfortunately, you have to go to support.discord.com, report the individual or account there, whether it be spam or harassment or whatever it may be, and they will get back as soon as they possibly can. So that's it. That's how you report someone on Discord. If you have any questions on how to do that, please put those in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.